I think I'm extremely happy that the way the participants have taken stalls and actually, actively participated, and the turnout, visitors also, has been very decent and very good. And the person who has done the stalls also has done a great job. I think it is a great teamwork of everyone in Electronic City. I feel like it's a family function done well.
What do you feel about the future coming years of Expo? How do you see it in future?
Actually, this is the first time we have done, and first time is like, we didn't even know what the next door neighbor is doing. Now, slowly, people are getting to know him. In fact, I am amazed at some of the companies' products, what they are doing and things like that. And both, all the people who have visited and the participants kind of get to know each other. And this should not stop at this point. It should continue. Maybe, once in 6 months, we should have a maybe networking dinner or something like that of all the companies. And maybe next year we should have more participation, not only from inside Electronic City, maybe we can have from outside Electronic City. We can enhance it by having a half a day or 1 day conference wherein people present papers, or having buyer-seller meet or something like that. Very focused we should have, and people will be interested, and people should want to come to this or participate. We should take it to that level.
Ma'am, are you happy with the organization Symbiosis has done for Expo 2012? Are you happy with the organization Symbiosis has done for Expo 2012?
Symbiosis? Yeah, Symbiosis has been always very supportive, and in fact I have attended many of their functions, and every function they do it with class and very sophisticated way they do, even finer details like decoration and everything they do it, and their professional way of dealing with it is appealing to me. And that's the reason when your director Mrs. Maya Vishwanath said we'll do something different, I was not sure whether everybody will like it or not, but I said okay, let's do it, and it turned out to be very good. And I really appreciate your stall also. It has come out very nicely. Wish you all the best.
Would you like us to have you organizing this event even next year or years to come?
Definitely. In fact, I want all the members to participate, and particularly like media and communication. For example, for all of us techies, we are not so media savvy, and we are not that kind of trained in communications or media and communications. I think here is an institute who is willing to help us. Why not? We should take your help, and it will be an experience for you, and it will be a advantage for us also. I think it works both ways. Wish you all the best. Thank you.